China's economic performance for the first quarter of this year was unveiled. Notably, the National Bureau of Statistics reported a 5.3% year-on-year GDP increase in Q1, exceeding market projections and surpassing the government's annual target of around 5%. The performance is described as a promising start by experts, showcasing China's economic resilience and setting the stage for stable and prosperous development in 2024 and beyond.
في الحقيقة الصين في الربع الأول من عام 2024 حققت أشياء إيجابية كثيرة في الاقتصاد الصيني الذي تعافى ويتعافى تدريجياً برغم كل التحديات العالمية.
One of the highlights is the steady growth in GDP. This growth is mainly driven by robust economic consumption, as evidenced by the strong retail sales figures.
Experts say that indicators such as the Purchasing Managers' Index, foreign trade performance, and fixed asset investment all signaled a growing momentum in China's economy.
We received over the weekend the official March PMI. It greatly exceeded expectations. It shows that following Chinese New Year, that you see this acceleration taking place in China's economy. And I think the world is a beneficiary, benefits from China's economic growth as well as China's exports.
China's value-added industrial output went up 6.1% year-on-year in the first 3 months of 2024, with the high-tech manufacturing sector expanding 7.5%. Experts point out it indicates China's focus on innovation-driven development, which will contribute to the global economic landscape.
One of the biggest catalysts of economic growth is new technologies, new innovations. And I think that's what China is trying to put into its economy so that it grows faster, becomes more productive.
China is the greatest contributor to world growth, and that there's no doubt that will continue for many years yet. China is not just trying to create new technologies, they're trying to learn how to use them for their own needs. I think that the Chinese growth is stable for the world